I'm Jody Costello, founder of ContractorsFromHell.com, and today I'm going to talk about how to choose a contractor to put in a fence. To begin, you want to hire someone who is licensed if your state requires it, is insured, and bonded. It's important to hire a licensed contractor who is familiar with local code requirements and can pull the permits if one is needed. When you interview contractors, you want to ask a lot of questions about their experience, work they have done similar to your project, and look through their portfolio. With fences, it's a good idea to check out some of the work he has done, and not just recent ones, but some projects he has done over the years. That way you can see how well they have stood the test of time. Ask for references and find out more about his company. Does he have employees or does he rely solely on subcontractors to do the work? Any descriptions that clearly defines what you're getting. You want to hire a reliable, competent, and ethical contractor, and the best way to do that is to do your homework and research.